So you guys know that I'm on my way to work. It is currently 5:53. Excuse my sleepy voice. Y'all, I'm like genuinely so tired. But like once I get to work, I be good. It just be the buildup of like getting out of bed, getting ready, getting in the car. Like it just be a whole thing. But once I get to work and I get to moving, I be good to go. But today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day, holiday edition. And I call this holiday edition because tonight we're going on a date to see the lights at a garden here in Atlanta, and I'm so excited. I've never been. And so they're going to have some holiday treats, so I'm excited for that. But everything else is going to be like scheduled programming, meal prep, all the things. But I just think it's important for you guys to consistently see what I eat, because I don't eat the same things every single week, even though it may seem like it. I don't. And I'm not a nutritionist or anything like that, but nutrition is very important for your overall health, and also when you are exercising. You guys know I prioritize protein, whole foods. I like to get in those macronutrients, so that's why I take the ginger shots, or that was an elderberry shot. So I take those things just for like the little small nutrients that you don't usually get in your diet. That's why I take those. And then I don't eat breakfast before I go to work because I have to be at work at 6 a.m. So I wait until I get to work, but I'll usually eat around like 8 o'clock, 7, 8 o'clock, just depends on the day. And yeah, so working a 9 to 5 is very hard when it comes to nutrition, because we have a whole cafe upstairs, and it can be so easy for me to be like, oh, I'll just go upstairs and get something. Sometimes I would do that for breakfast. Like I would just go upstairs and get whatever. So pancake, they have like breakfast sandwiches, but I don't play about my finances, and that stuff be adding up so quick. So my goal for this week is to actually not eat out, like don't buy any food or coffee outside, because y'all know I like my Dunkin' coffee too. So my goal this week is just to not do that, because you know it's the holidays, and it's so easy for us to just slip into that trap of like buying things because that's what they're telling us to do, that's what everyone around us is doing. But I don't want to fall into that. You know, I have goals and I have things that I'm working on, so I don't want to just fall into those traps when I have everything that I need. You know, I have coffee at home. I can get coffee at work for free every single day, which is what I do. So yeah, working a 9 to 5, I bring my breakfast and lunch with me to work every single day. Unless it's a day where I'll go to work at 10, I'll eat breakfast at home. So today I have to be at work at 6, so I brought my breakfast, lunch, and I brought snacks. So I'm almost to work. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to finally eat breakfast. For breakfast today, I have boiled eggs, 2 boiled eggs, a biscuit, and Greek yogurt. I'm kind of nervous for the Greek yogurt because it's plain Greek yogurt, like not the vanilla one. And I thought I had honey at home, but I don't. So I put some maple syrup in it, and I put some cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla. So hopefully that helps it not be so sour. I also have blueberries inside, and then I also brought My granola is vanilla chocolate chip granola, just to help with the taste. But this is for protein and probiotics. And then 2 boiled eggs. And then I have biscuits because I'm doing glutes and hamstrings today. And I'm doing my HIIT class. So yeah, I need all the energy I can get. Okay, so for today, for lunch, meal prep of course. So we have chicken thighs cut up with sweet potatoes, seared in one pan with broccoli. So protein, carbs, fiber, all the things. I also have this yogurt, Chobani yogurt. Chobani. It's 20 grams of protein, mixed berry vanilla. So I love this flavor. I'm gonna have this while I'm training my client. It's currently 1:31. I leave work at 2. I don't know if me and her are training at 2:30 or 3, but once I get there and I get her situated and we started training, I'm gonna drink this as a little like snack, and then I have to go home and do some work. Then I'm gonna have dinner. But right now I'm about to eat and then get ready to head out for the day. But she's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You're a party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. So for dinner tonight, I'm having chicken tenders with avocado and green beans. So the tenders I baked in the oven. These are fresh green beans that I cooked, and then this is avocado from an avocado pack that I buy from Costco. So I ate the avocado for healthy fats. Obviously protein, fiber, getting more greens in. I try to do at least one meal that doesn't have complex carbs, so it's just like a veggie or a fruit. But I try to have a meal where I don't have like pasta or bread or potatoes, rice, any type of complex carb. That way I'm not taking in as much sugar, and my body just responds better when I don't do a whole lot of carbs. So that's usually how I try to do my routine. At least one meal a day without carbs. And I was going to say, and I usually try not to do 2 meals with chicken, but over the weekend I had ground turkey tacos. So I already had chicken that was like unthawed, so I was like, let me just find a new way to make the chicken. So I cut up the chicken thighs and ate it in the sweet potatoes, and made like a 1-pan sweet potato and chicken recipe that I found on Pinterest. And so this is baked tenders. So it's kind of different. Thighs versus chicken tenders, which is white meat, versus, the chicken thighs are dark meat. So a little bit of a different flavor, but usually I don't do 2 chicken meals in one day. But it's all good. It's just food. So I'm about to eat this food, and then we're gonna go on our date at 8 o'clock. It's currently, I don't have my watch. It's currently 6:58. So I'm about to eat this, do a little bit more work, and then we're gonna head out. Y'all know I gotta add my hot sauce. I put hot sauce on everything. I just love spicy food, y'all. Like, love it. Everything, even in the green beans, I put red pepper flakes. But, can never have a little too, well, you can't have too much spice, but it's all good.
Hey.